Hey y'all, what's going on? It's been a minute since my last video, so just wanted to check in with you guys. Make sure everything is going good. Y'all, I actually just thought about the fact that next month I will be locked for one whole year. I can't believe it. It will be one whole year. And now that I think about that, I'm getting pretty excited. What I would like to do is I want to color my hair. I'm going to go and get my first professional retwist around my 1 year anniversary. I'm not sure what date or what day of the week that falls on yet. So hopefully it's on like a Saturday, because then I'm going to do a whole super pamper me day. So I want to go get my first professional retwist. And I did say when I first twisted my hair that once I hit my 1 year anniversary, then I was gonna color my hair. So I am gonna color my hair. Problem is, I don't know which color I want. I know I'm going to do a two-tone thing. I'm going to keep the front black because I really just like that. And then the back, I usually do a two-tone anyway. And the back, I usually do a different color. Like right now, you can see that I still have some blonde on my tips from when I bleached my hair a few years ago when I was a loose natural. But I don't know, I'm ready to do something different. I've been blonde before. I've been hot pink before. I've been platinum blonde before. I've been auburn before. I've been like a plum color before. But I want to do something different. I don't know if I want to do like a reddish orange, which I love. I don't know if I want to go purple. I don't know if I want to go like a bluish green. I'm not sure. So I need your help. Can you guys help me out? Can you help me decide what color I'm going to do for my 1 year anniversary? I don't know. So go ahead, thumbs this video up. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I really do appreciate your support. And also in the comment section down below, go ahead and let me know what color you think I should go. And that's what we're going to do. All right, guys. Bye.